I was given this roll of plastic. I think this is what they keep mattresses once they're made. I'm going to take a piece of that and use that to make a cover for the potatoes. Another plot holder was given away a couple of these half barrels, and what they've done is they've cut 4 slits down the sides, just leaving about 10 centimeters. But me being me, I said I'll find a use for it, and I have found a use for it. So what I'm going to do is cut these so I get 4 pieces, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. Right, that's 4 pieces that are like a quarter of a barrel's. I've got this Dalek that somebody wanted to throw away because it's got no top and it's got no bottom bit. But I said, oh, no, don't. But the problem is, to use it as a compost bin, it's a bit difficult because stuff's coming out and rats are getting in. And also because light is getting in, the stuff is starting to actually sprout. I threw a piece of rhubarb in there and look, it's actually going because the light is getting to it. And it's actually, if you can see, sprouting from the bottom as well. So it's obviously rooted in there and is on its merry way. But really I don't want things to start growing in the compost heap, so I need to sort something. So one piece, oops, can sit like that, and if I put a stone next in front of it, that will hold that bit straight, and if I put the other piece on top, it's just a bit tight. So putting that around, what am I thinking of? Put that in that way around. It's a little bit tight, but if I put something heavy on it, put brick in it for now. But if I find a couple of bits of heavy stones on it, put it on there. That is now covered and the bottom hole is filled. It's not a proper fix, but it'll do. For an allotment compost bin, it'll do. Cost 0. And I've done the same with these. That one, I'll actually put it on the inside, then I don't have to support it on the outside, because these, I'll just put stuff in them till they're full, and I'll leave them to rot down and then just take the whole heap. So I'll just take the whole thing off and deal with the compost all in one go, so I don't need to have these openable from the outside. So these 2 are done. I'm using the other 2 pieces. Pleased with that.